Hi guys, this just arrived in Thursday, this package. This is Zydoc Long Lasting Concealer Foundation Stick Built-in Applicator. This is 15 grams. You can see it in TikTok shop. This is their best seller. This is the brush. So you get the cup and you can brush it in your face evenly. This is really good, long lasting. You can see it's shiny in your face, guys. This is very, very good kind of concealer foundation. It's concealer and then foundation in one. And guys, purchase is below. You will not regret this. You will say thank you to me and welcome.